I'm Sarah from the Lost Peatlands project. Over the last 3 years, I've had the privilege of delivering outdoor learning sessions on peatland restoration, biodiversity and climate change to 6 primary schools within Neathport Talbot and Rhondda Cynnon Taff. The amazing pupils I've been working with at Anoswen, Penrhenglyn, Cameravon, Penavon, Croeseru and Glencorrog primary schools have written and performed a song to highlight what they've learnt with the project. Their song, Pwer of the Peat Bogs, explains why peatlands that were once a significant feature of their local upland landscapes are such an important habitat.
Bogs gone, we're gonna tell you in this song, in helpless things to be. Making things like a squashy, landscapes now with common trees. Our peat bogs, they are hard to see. Millimetre of feet within a year. The Welsh habitat thou evil do. 'Cause peat is very neat, it's wet under our feet. Those cars need a moss, it really is the boss. Pwer of the Peat Bogs. Where there once the lines of coal, we now see fluffy waterfalls, having travels with some peat. It shows their homes no longer leave. Night sing on the mountain's top, sun dew drop insects as they hop, butterflies flying in the sky. Stagnant moss, don't let it dry, 'cause peat is very neat, it's wet under our feet. Those covered in moss, it really is the boss. Pwer of the Peat Bogs. Energy made from fossil fuels, instead let's use renewable. No oil, gas or coal, wind and solar on the coast. Worry, don't want climate change, take action, make it go away. Turn off the TVs in the day, instead there's solar activate.
'Cause peat is very neat, it's wet under our feet. Stores carbon made of moss, it really is the boss.